Hello everyone, we are Wig Bangladesh. Today we will introduce the glamorous black with highlighted brown lace front wig for ladies. This wig is designed specifically for the trendsetters who adore changing hair colors frequently. Say goodbye to the hassle and hair damage associated with chemical treatments and say hello to instant style and versatility. We understand the importance of comfortable and realistic appearance. That's why our lace front wig features hair length of 22 inches and 12x4 base size, and the wrist parts are bundle attached, ensuring a generous lace frontal area for a seamless hairline and styling versatility. It includes adjustable straps and clips, ensuring a secure and personalized fit for all-day wear. Embrace your love for changing hair colors without the worry of damage. Elevate your style and captivate the crowd with our remarkable lace front wig in black with highlighted brown, made from 100% real human hair. For placing an order, please knock us on WhatsApp or you may visit our website www.wigbd.com. Thanks for watching the video. Take care.